Hello, welcome to the project of Antonio and Alberto about why you should live in the taiga biome during a vacation. Some dominant plants in the taiga biome are white spruce trees and black spruce trees. White spruce trees are normally found in North America and Alaska, while black spruce trees are found in wet and boggy areas. The type of terrain you would see in the taiga biome would be a dense evergreen forest and cold weather bogs. Also, the type of terrain that you would see inside of the taiga biome is flat plains, rolling hills, and rugged mountains. Also, you would see crystal clear lakes with giant glaciers inside of them. Since the taiga biome is in the north hemisphere, it would be hard to plant crops due to the soil being all frozen due to the snow in the taiga biome. Due to the soil being so frozen, roots like trees and other plants won't go as deep due to the frozen soil. The taiga biome is very different than the plains due to it being in the north hemisphere and the soil being very frozen, unlike the plains having rich, thriving soil. Also, some other dominant plants in the taiga biome are berries. They can help other living animals such as wolves, humans, and mooses because these berries can help them thrive. Lastly, another dominant plant inside the taiga biome is a pine tree. They are perfectly adaptable to extreme cold temperature. Also, they can help form foundations in ecosystems for bears, wolves, humans, birds, and etc. Some problems with the taiga biome is you can't plant as much as you will in the plains due to the soil being very frozen. Also, due to this, it can make some animals such as wolves and mooses die due to the harsh winters in the taiga biome. The harsh winters can make things freeze, such as water and plants such as grass, which would make herbivores most likely die. The only good thing about the taiga biome for the animals is if some of the herbivores die, it'll make the carnivores such as bears and wolves to eat the dead or dying herbivores. Another probably good thing about the taiga biome would probably be the evergreens due to it having spruce trees and pine trees.
Hello, everybody. My name is Alberto, and I'm going to talk about the weather. So, during the winter, the weather is actually 60 degrees, and after the winter, it goes all the way to the 70s. So, make sure to bring a sweater with you when you go out. One thing that's probably a little bad about the taiga biome is during the summer. The summer actually has short heats because it's mostly cold in the taiga biome. So as we're going to our next location, which we're going to talk about the wolf. So let me tell you about it. The wolf has isolation, which thickens the fur. It also has camouflage to blend into the snow so it could attack their prey. Now the wolf also has snow mobility, which their claws actually grow so they could run in the snow faster. So the reason why the wolf has paw thickening as well as camouflage is to attack their prey, which is a rabbit or a moose. So our next animal is the bear, and the bear also has isolation, but the bear also has, other than isolation, is an omnivorous diet. Now the bear also has specialized claws to climb trees as well as digging holes. Now, the bear also has a winter sleep. So, during the winter, they sleep to hibernate. Now, our final animal on the list is a moose. And the moose actually eats high fiber foods. The moose also has a seasonal movement, which means during the summer, they like to go to a lake and get away from insects. Now, the moose has to watch out for predators, which are the bears as well as the wolves. So, the mooses actually have to relocate from time to time because of the predators.
That is all that we have for you today. But if you do want to go to the Tiger Balm for your vacation, please make sure to have a fun time there. And that is all that we have for you today. Goodbye.